If you follow the news, then you know that a number of states, I think it was 18 states, filed a lawsuit in the Supreme Court uh, against a number of other states, the swing states in the presidential election. And last Friday, it was a hefty lawsuit. I think the initial pleading was 160 pages. I don't know how many additional pages were tacked on by the added states, but you could bet there were several hundreds of pages worth of argument made. And the Supreme Court, in one page, I believe just one sentence, dismissed the whole lawsuit, saying that there was no standing. Now, there clearly is standing in the U.S. Constitution. All right, the court is the court of original jurisdiction. The Supreme Court is when one state sues another. So people see this one-page opinion and it looks arbitrary. And it looks arbitrary because it is arbitrary. And if you are involved in the law, if you're a lawyer, if you're a law student, if you are a litigant, you are going to see very fast that the law is applied like this in arbitrary ways. All right? So you'll see it first in law school. If you go to law school, you'll have all these classes, and you'll approach all of them in the same way. You'll do the same amount of diligence in your studying and your outlining. You'll approach the exam in the same way, and you'll get back all different results. You'll get an A in one class, you'll get a C in another class, and it just doesn't seem to make any sense, and it doesn't, okay? Same thing with the law. So you'll go into court, you'll have your hearing, you'll argue with the other attorney, and very frequently you will get back just a one-sentence decision with very little reasoning attached to it whatsoever, and it seems arbitrary. Okay, so this is something, if you're going to get involved in the law, you need to just accept it. The only thing you can do is appeal to the next court up, and in that case, again, you're subjected to potentially arbitrary decisions by the judges. So if you want to pursue a career in the law, you need to recognize this, all right? You're going to deal with it in law school. You're going to deal with it throughout your career. And again, if you are a litigant, you need to recognize it as well. Okay, you could spend thousands and thousands of dollars on your lawyer in the top law firm, the best of everything, and a judge could just make, you know, a quick decision on the case, and it can be downright arbitrary at times. So recognize that and just accept it for what it is, and consider it before you spend the money to get wrapped up in a lawsuit.